Tripleseat is a dynamic event and venue management software designed to streamline operations for event professionals, catering businesses, and restaurants. Whether you're managing private events, corporate bookings, or banquets, Tripleseat provides the tools you need to stay organized and impress your clients. With its user-friendly interface, robust features, and industry-specific tools, it simplifies the complexities of managing leads, bookings, and event planning. This guide will walk you through the essential features, why Triplesit is an excellent choice for event professionals, and tips to maximize its potential. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the lead management. Tripleseat allows you to track and manage leads efficiently, consolidating inquiries from multiple channels into one platform. You can assign leads to team members, update statuses, and prioritize hot opportunities. This keeps your sales pipeline organized, ensuring no leads falls through the cracks. Another key feature is the event planning and collaboration. The platform offers detailed event planning tools, including templates for contracts, proposals, and banquet event orders. It also supports collaboration, allowing your team and clients to access event details in real time. This streamlines event coordination and fosters transparent communication with clients. Another key feature is the customizable calendar and scheduling. The calendar feature provides a centralized view of all bookings, making it easy to avoid scheduling conflicts and plan for peak periods. This ensures smooth scheduling and maximizes venue utilization. Another key feature is the CRM integration and client management. Tripleseat includes built-in CRM capabilities, allowing you to store client data, track communication history, and tailor services to client preferences. This enhances client relationships and helps deliver personalized services. Another key feature is the financial tools and reporting. Tripleseat simplifies financial management with integrated invoicing, payment tracking, and reporting tools. It provides detailed reports on sales, bookings, and revenue trends. This improves financial transparency and helps identify growth opportunities. Another key feature is the marketing automation. With Tripleseat, you can automate email campaigns, send personalized event promotions, and track engagement metrics. This saves time on marketing efforts and helps generate more bookings. Another key feature is the mobile accessibility. The Tripleseat mobile app allows users to access event details, update schedules, and communicate with clients on the go. This ensures flexibility and accessibility for event managers working on site. So, why is Tripleseat a great choice? Tripleseat stands out for its intuitive interface and its focus on the needs of event professionals. It combines event management, CRM, and marketing tools into one cohesive platform, eliminating the need for multiple software solutions. Its customizable templates and robust reporting tools allow businesses to maintain professional standards while improving efficiency. The platform's scalability makes it ideal for businesses of all sizes, from small catering operations to large event venues. Furthermore, its commitment to customer success, offering training resources, webinars, and a responsive support team, ensures you can fully leverage the software's capabilities. So here are some tips for maximizing triple seat. So first, you want to utilize templates. So save time by creating reusable templates for contracts, proposals, and event orders. Customize them to reflect your brand identity. Another tip, you want to analyze reports regularly. So use Tripleseat's reporting tools to track performance metrics and identify trends. This data can help you optimize pricing strategies and improve operational efficiency. So basically, Tripleseat is a powerful tool for event professionals looking to elevate their business, from managing leads and planning events to tracking finances and automating marketing. It offers an all in one solution tailored to the industry. With its emphasis on efficiency, scalability, and user friendliness, Tripleseat empowers event managers to deliver exceptional experiences to clients while driving growth. So, if you're ready to streamline your event management process, Tripleseat could be the perfect fit for your business in 2025. By leveraging its features and following best practices, you'll be well equipped to handle the demands of a thriving event management operation. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.